How to grow celery. Scientific name, Apium gravolens. Light, full sun. Soil type, well-drained, high organic matter. pH range, 5.7 to 6.0. Moisture/watering, keep evenly moist, not waterlogged. Maturity in days, 130 to 140 days. Known pests, green peach, bean, willow carrot, and hawthorn aphids. Known diseases, root knot nematodes. Choose the right variety. Select a celery variety that is suitable for home gardening, such as Pascal or Toluta. These varieties are known for their compact size and adaptability to different growing conditions. Prepare the soil. Celery thrives in well-draining soil rich in organic matter. Prepare the soil by removing any weeds or debris and loosening it with a garden fork or tiller. Amend the soil with compost or well-rotted manure to improve its fertility. Start seeds indoors. Celery seeds can be started indoors 10 to 12 weeks before the last frost date in your area. Fill seed trays or pots with a seed starting mix and sow the seeds at a depth of 1/8 inch. Keep the soil consistently moist and provide sufficient light for germination. Transplant seedlings. Once the seedlings have developed 2 to 3 true leaves, they are ready to be transplanted outdoors. Harden off the seedlings by gradually exposing them to outdoor conditions over a period of 7 to 10 days. Choose a location in your garden that receives full sun or partial shade. Prepare the planting area. Before transplanting, prepare the planting area by incorporating organic matter into the soil. Dig a trench that is 6 to 8 inches deep and 12 to 18 inches wide. Space the trenches 24 to 36 inches apart to allow for proper growth and airflow. Transplant seedlings into the trenches. Carefully remove the seedlings from their containers and place them in the trenches, spacing them 6 to 8 inches apart. Gently backfill the soil around the seedlings, ensuring that the crown, base, of each plant is level with the soil surface. Provide consistent moisture. Celery requires consistent moisture throughout its growing season. Water the plants regularly, aiming to keep the soil evenly moist but not waterlogged. Mulching around the plants can help retain moisture and suppress weed growth. Fertilize regularly. Celery is a heavy feeder and benefits from regular fertilization. Apply a balanced fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks or use a slow-release fertilizer according to the package instructions. Avoid over-fertilizing, as it can lead to excessive foliage growth and reduced flavor. Hill the plants. As the celery plants grow, mound soil or mulch around the base of the plants to blanch the stalks. This process helps to reduce bitterness and improve the texture of the celery. Hilling should be done when the plants are about 8 to 10 inches tall. Monitor for pests and diseases. Keep an eye out for common celery pests such as aphids, slugs, and snails. Use organic pest control methods or insecticidal soap to manage infestations. Additionally, watch for signs of diseases like leaf blight or root rot and take appropriate measures to prevent their spread. Harvesting. Celery is typically ready for harvest 85 to 120 days after transplanting. Harvest individual stalks by cutting them at the base, or harvest the entire plant by cutting it at ground level. Enjoy fresh celery in your favorite recipes or store it in the refrigerator for later use.